Here's the new one. When I were supposed to get our lips done this morning, it didn't work out, so I did a little video. We went and got some supplies, and I've been inside working on some paperwork all day that I had to get done. Look at Cam. She's been helping Blake sand, killing the game. They got the bed set and been sanding. Blake's been grinding, and I've been missing out doing paperwork, but I'm done, and I get to work on it now tomorrow. Blake has killed it on fabbing this bed that he built for our other truck that blew up. So now it's time to tape the edges, and we are going to get the rhino liner on the top so that we can color match the sides of the bed to this truck. All right, so we got it all papered and taped. Blake is going to prime a couple of the rusty spots just so that it don't rust through. And then it's time to shoot. No. Are you gonna do it? Or the building's in the way. Let's see what it looks like.
Ah!
I say go for it.
We'll do it like this, Paul.
Yeah, let's do it. Love it. Okay, it is finally time to color match the bed. We got the rhino liner on the top. We are taping the, So it takes me so long to get content. Blake's already done this half of the bed. So you should just finish.
Well, you got your 2 foot section on.
I'm just kidding. This is what I did. Okay, now I'm really gonna do it.
Okay. Hit your head.
Here's what it looks like, all taped and papered up. And we're about to shoot the white. It's hot. I'm shaky. Here's our white. We just got tractor paint and toned it with this color, and it is like the perfect color. We put a little dab on the truck and let it dry, and you can't even see it. So we bought this gun because it's just like junky tractor paint, and we didn't want to mess up our good gun. And Blake's trying to get it set right. That's what it was spraying like. So he's adjusting the tip to get it right.
So we got the sides almost done. We got old big Barb over here laying down some just Crayola. We even had a fly show up. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Probably gonna go ahead and start painting trucks for a living. We'll have a new shop in a couple weeks, so Barb's is gonna make me work. So we'll probably shoot just a little bit more paint on this thing. And then it's time for the rubber mats and put the tank on, and she's ready for work. She used to be an airbrush makeup artist. She said it was a lot easier to do them big old faces and these big old beds. Call this truck Judy because she got a white booty. So one more little crisscross light touch across the back. Make sure it looks all right. I think it's gonna look pretty good.
We got all the paint on and now we just have to wait for it to dry. But I think we got the color match like perfect. I'm really satisfied with it. I'm honestly surprised that the Tractor Supply paint painted that good. I think it's gonna be more durable.
Remember that when you plug them together, that them stupid blades will twist. Remember, so sometimes they don't go in. You gotta like make sure that they're straight.
Oh, on the red things?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's fine.
Okay.
I just have a hard time with that. Yeah, that's a lot easier. Thank you.
What's that?
That's a lot easier. Thank you.
Okay. When you crimp them yellow ones, like once you crimp it, kind of like wiggle it a little
Yeah,
bit.
I just like spun him.
Yeah. Because I think they're a little big for the water, but they'll work.
Okay. I feel like Hank Hill with this little like.
Do what?
I feel like Hank Hill with my utility knife. Just need to keep it on my hip now. We got the truck finished and it's been raining. I drove it yesterday to make sure everything was working. We surprisingly, for once in our lives, had no leaks on any of the fittings or anything. All we have to do now is change the logo on this tank to our new logo. That's what we're doing with this one as well. That's a work in progress, but she is done and she works. I only got to drive one day, and of course, how business goes. One of our driver's trucks is having issues, so he's gonna come pick it up and use it for the week while we get his truck fixed, and then it'll be back. But yeah, we love it, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.